Hey, Tristan here. Today, we're back with a new tutorial. This tutorial is going to be about EasyCommands. It's been a while since I released a tutorial about EasyCommands, but hey, today is the day. EasyCommands has been updated to version 0.8.13. So this is going to be a tutorial on how basically the easiest way to create a Discord bot with Java. So let's get started with the tutorial. So first things first, you want to go in the description, the video description. You're going to see a link towards the GitHub repository of EasyCommands. Right here, as we can see, EasyCommands library is open source, so you can go check out all the sources if you want to. Now, if we scroll down right here to summary, we'll see that we can click on download right here. So that's exactly where you want to go. And we will see that the latest version is 0.8.13. And if we want to install it with Maven or Gradle, we got both ways right here. So let's just copy the Maven, because at the end of the video, we're going to use Maven. That's what I prefer. You could use Gradle. It's pretty much going to be the same thing. Okay, so now on IDEA, let's create a new project. I'm going to call it YouTube Robot. It's going to be a Java project. We're going to use Maven. All of that is all fine. Okay, so once in here, we're greeted with a main class. So if you don't have this main class, yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're just going to create it. Let's right-click Java class, just call it main. And right inside of here, we're going to put the public static void main string args. So this is basically how we can start a program with Java. All right, so now let's go to our pom.xml and let's paste what we had copied right here. So let's copy it again and let's paste it right over here. Okay, so we're going to see that we get an error on that dependency block, and that's totally normal. We just need to add the dependencies block, just like so, and you just copy paste, and there we go. So it's going to ask us for a version. So this version we saw earlier on, we should take the 0.8.13. Right here, you just type in 0.8.13. There we go. Now you reload the Maven change. So if you get an error right here, that's totally fine. It's totally normal. It's because you didn't download the EasyCommands jar just yet from Maven. But when you click load Maven change right up here, you should see that this error will disappear. Okay, so let's get started now. So right here inside the main class, we're first going to create a private static JDA variable. And we want to import the class. So you can put your mouse over it. Just click on import class. And now what we're going to do is that we're going to instantiate the EasyCommands class. So let's just call it EC equals a new EasyCommands. Now it's going to give us an error right here. So we just press on add exceptions to method signature. So as you can see right here, just added these two simple exceptions right here. So we've got the URI syntax exception and the IO exception. Right after that, what you want to do is type in JDA. So we grab our variable right here that we created. We say equals ec.register listeners. So right here, that's where you will want to put your Discord events. So for example, when someone joins a guild, that's right here that's going to be. So we're going to check that later on in future episodes. Then you want to type in .add executor after the parentheses. Now inside of here, for now, we're going to add the default executor that comes with EasyCommands, which is the help command. And the help command asks us for a variable, which is EasyCommands. Asks us for a reference of that, of an EasyCommands class, basically. And we've got one right here. So let's just pass in EC. And then, right after that, parentheses right here, the last one, we're going to do .add enable cache flags. And then we're going to do .add gateway intents. And then we're going to do .build JDA. So this right here is going to ask us to add another exception to the method signature. Right here, it's the interrupted exception. So when that's done, now what we need to do is pretty much start the Discord bot. But we're going to see right here that we get massive errors, but that's totally fine. It's just basically telling us that we don't have a token. So as you can see, we didn't put any token to start any specific bots. So you just want to go inside of target, classes, saved. Now you're going to see config.properties. Let's open that. And right here, as we can see, we get the bot config. And on top right here, we can remove that hashtag and just type in whatever we want for the token. So if we go on Discord developer portal, we can press on new application. I'm going to call it YouTube Robot. Now right here, you just want to go to the bot section and we want to reset the token. Just do it. It's going to ask you for a 2FA code. And right here, as we can see, we now have our token. So we can press on copy. If you already have a bot created, already have an application, you can use your already existing application. It doesn't really matter. What matters, though, is that you assure yourself that you check the presence intent, the server members intent, and the message content intent. Just save the changes. And now, with the token that we had copied right up here, we can go back to YouTube Robot and paste the token right there. And for now, we're going to leave MySQL to false. That's going to be for another video. Well, basically the next video where I'm going to show how to use MySQL. And so now, yeah, that should be fine. We now have our token, but we still need to do one last step inside of here where we want to go. We want to go inside of OAuth 2 URL generator. And check applications commands and bot. And right down here, that's going to be your bot permissions. You can check whatever permissions you need. For myself, I'm going to use administrator so I can have every permissions. Just paste that link into the browser. So the link is right here, the generated URL. Now I'm going to invite the bot to one of my server. I'm going to invite it to EasyCommands support. Let's press on continue. Authorize, and verify I'm a human, and nice, the bot has been added. Okay, so now inside of Discord, scroll down a bit, we should see YouTube robot. He's joined our server. Great, now let's start the bot and let's see if everything works. Let's press on run right here. Alright, everything seems to work. As we can see, it registered the listeners. We're now using MySQL. The music bot has been enabled. Now right down here though, we've got a problem. Is it then registered in the executors? Usually we should see a /play command, /skip, and all the music commands. But that's a pretty easy fix. That's just because Discord has a delay for registering commands. So basically what you want to do is just restart the bot. There we go. Once the bot is restarted, we now have all our commands. So let's go back to Discord and I'll show you a couple of great features about the bot. Okay, so now back on Discord, as we can see the bot is started. And now I've just joined the channel, so I'm gonna do a little demo of the commands. So I can do /play, and I'm just gonna put whatever music that comes to mind. There we go. Oh, and now it says that you can't use this command as channel. So what we want to do is do /set music channel. There we go. So now it says that the music channel has been updated. And now if I do /play and the name of my music, press enter, the bot successfully joined and is now playing the new music. So we can now skip, pause, get the lyrics if the lyrics are available. There we go. We can get the lyrics off of Genius. Otherwise we can stop it and there we go. What we could also do is set the log channel. We can set the log channel right here. We can set the member role. So when you set the member role to member, for example, this is going to be the auto role. So when a new member is going to join, it's going to add up its role, basically. You can also set bot role. And this command right here is going to set the role of every bot that's going to join your server, and it's going to set it to bot automatically. There we go, auto role updated too. And now how do we check if this worked correctly? Well, if you go back inside of IDEA, right here, we should see that we get some properties about a certain guild. Well, it's a certain ID and then properties. If we open that, we can see now that we get our member role, bot role, music channel, and log channel. So yeah, that was pretty much it, and we'll see us back in the next episode. See ya.